Have you ever heard of Stockbridge, Georgia? If you're a fan of Stranger Things or The Walking Dead, they filmed some of those episodes here. We're here to stay the night. I hope I don't see anything that's strange, and I certainly don't want to see anybody who's dead. Good evening. I'm coming to you from just outside of Atlanta. We're here in Stockbridge, Georgia. We're at this brand new True Hotel. If you're not familiar with the True brand, it is a Hilton brand hotel. We've stayed at Trues before. We do have a few of those on our channel. Something's going on over here. I don't know what's going on in this city. It sounds like a racetrack or something. Is there one nearby? Maybe. Who knows? Alright, so we're going to go get checked into this hotel. We're going to show you everything that this hotel has to offer, as well as everything that's in our room. Before we get started, though, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. There has got to be a racetrack over there because it is loud. I'm going to investigate.
So right here, there's a parking right off the front. Obviously, there's some all around the building. However, we did park in the back because we checked in here, but then thought, let's go park. There's a back side, and unfortunately, those weren't working, those doors, so that's not good. Fitness room is right off here, and we'll show you that inside in a minute. But yeah, like we saw, we think there might be like a racetrack of some sort here with all that noise, and we're curious, so we're gonna go see if we can see anything through these trees over here.
Yeah, I don't know if this is just the highway.
I think it might just be the highway, and we just it just got really
driving like that on the highway. Oh my God.
Unfortunately. I do like the coloring of these True hotels. They're really neat.
Yeah,
this is Diamond Member. You can't see it on this side, but that's what that is. So that's for the people that got a lot of stays. Yeah. So like, hi.
That was just the highway.
So yeah, so it was just the highway. And there's a doggy area here where you can bring your doggies, and they have bags and trash. But yeah, I guess it was just the highway. Yeah, that's kind of neat. There's the highway right up there. Oh boy, somebody was driving crazy. Yeah. I think there might be a racetrack around here anyway, though. I've heard of this place before, haven't you?
Yeah.
I think this door works because she's at it, but I don't know. Guess we won't circle around because we know the backside doesn't work. So we're just gonna go right back through the front. Alright, let's go check it out. I do like this chair here. I'm gonna go right back to this chair because I really like it. It just seems fun. Let's see. Oh geez. Nope, don't like it anymore. Ugh, this is very uncomfortable. Sorry. Oh my God, this is so uncomfortable. It's kind of comfortable. Once you actually get into it, it's quite comfortable. I do like that there's outlets everywhere. And lots of seating space too. They have a little market here at the lobby. So there's a tea area and a coffee station that's open 24/7 too. I might be prepping myself another coffee. I do like that they have hot chocolate too.
You can't even use this one at all because it's a collaboration room, so it's a meeting room.
Well, the sign says you can use it with your
we
room
talked
key.
about that.
They have all kinds of yummies. Oh, they have a microwave here you can use. Do not microwave hard-boiled eggs or paper cups. I know. That's really cool that they have a microwave that you can use, and they have little Haagen-Dazs and stuff like that. It's cool. Oh, look at this. Oh, sun chips. I know. Yeah. Oh, that looks good too. I love this mural here that they have in this, like, what is this? Like a fun...
Part of the lobby?
I know, like a lobby area.
Rec area?
Rec area. So it's like a rec area here in the lobby. Plenty of chairs back there, plenty of outlets. Nice little sitting area here. I do like it. You could tell it's very fresh, very new. They have plenty of games over here too. Lots of fun games, Jenga, Scrabble. It's very family oriented. I like that. It says they're a collaboration room, but I don't know what that means. Maybe a meeting room. This is the breakfast area here. I like how everything looks so fresh and so clean, obviously. So fresh and so clean. Okay, so anyway, this is the breakfast area. We'll see it more in the morning, I guess. But they do have some almond milk. That's good to know. Oatmeal. They make pancakes here. Nice. That's so cool. We'll see it more in the morning. And this is the area here where, like, the business center. Ooh, you could do your business card here, but they do have a printer, so if you needed to print out an itinerary or something, you could do that. There's outlets throughout, like I said. This is a nice sitting area. I think it's very hip, very cool. And then this is the lobby. Right off that rec room area, there's this water filling station, ice machine, there's buckets and a little trash can. And next to that is the fitness center, which is open 24 hours. Perfect. Well, yeah, thank goodness. We were listening to somebody complain about the same thing with the doors, and they said they discussed it at their meeting. So, yeah, I'm sure that annoys a lot of people. It does say that it's set to 60, but it's 80 in here. So that means that's not working either. It is quite warm in here, I noticed. So that ain't working either. So, you know, new hotel, new glitches. You know, early on, that's a problem. But I guess there's some glitches to be expected, right? Some hiccups.
Yeah, the AC's definitely not working.
It's definitely set to 60, but it's 80 in here. So that's definitely not working right. But there is some machinery. There's a one exercise bike, the pedaling one, and 2 walking machines. Can't guarantee they work, but yep, there it is. There's the downstairs restrooms. In case you ever have to go and there's too many people in the room and they're all using it. Well, not all at the same time. That would be weird. I don't know if there's any guest laundry.
Doesn't look like it.
Well, we'll see. We always make it to the end just in case. But it doesn't look like it. There's stairs to the left. And what's this to the right? Another room. And just the exit. So no laundry in True hotels, or at least not the ones we've stayed at.
If you notice, that door's probably not working either, because there's a mat propped in the door right now.
Oh, okay.
That's how those people are probably getting back in.
Yep, so none of the doors are working except the front one, apparently.
Yeah, that's not good.
No, it's not.
Makes it a pain to get around.
Yeah. And that kind of covers the downstairs, right?
Yeah, I think so.
I think we covered everything.
I mean,
What do you guys think so far? I think this was a pretty nice hotel. Yep, see, look, it says Stranger Things and The Walking Dead were filmed here. They mentioned a couple bars that are the favorite local bars, some favorite local attractions, some favorite local restaurants, local shopping and retail, and local things to know. So I do like the feel of the True hotels. They're hip, they're young, they're fresh. Hello.
Hello. What floor for you, ma'am?
3, sir.
Oh, that's where I'm at too.
Huh.
I'm
Perfect.
going up there to do some studying.
Studying of what?
Vacation stuff, very top secret.
Very top secret.
So we did see another YouTube, a car that had a YouTube channel on it. What was it?
It's My Life.
It's My Life. I'm gonna go look that up when we get to the room.
Yeah.
They had like the banner on their car, which is kind of cool. Make dreams come true. You see quiet hours, 10 p.m. to 9 a.m. And it's pushing 10 p.m. We got here kind of late. Down the hallway. And this is nice. Everything looks nice and clean. The carpet and everything, because this is a new hotel. It's always good to stay in a new one. So here's our room number. 322. Alright, let's see. We noticed this when we first came in. The door closes so slow. I think of like a horror movie, like if Freddy Krueger was chasing you or something, trying to kill you. That door's gonna close so shut, you're gonna be in trouble. Maximum room rate for here is $299. All right, so we got a full-length mirror here. We got some places to hang up jackets. We've got a little space here where I guess you can set up your laundry if you needed to. There's some hangers, ironing board. There is a mini fridge down here. It doesn't feel cold, but it's chilly enough to keep something cold, chilled, like drinks. I like this long space here where you can put a couple of suitcases up here. I've already got mine there. We've got a good flat screen TV over here. 2 queen-size beds. We've got a phone, a couple of lights, alarm clock. Haven't checked the bed yet. I'll do that in a second. Got a little tiny desk space. The one thing I did notice about the desk space... Oh, here they are. Ooh. The thing I noticed about the desk space, but then I noticed it here, they do have USBs and an electrical outlet there, so you can charge a laptop or whatever you need to do. There's also a light here. for the desk area, on and off. We've got our windows here. Let's say, which way are we facing? We are facing opposite the highway. I know it's hard to see in the dark, but this is the side where the front of the hotel is. The front of the hotel is right down here, the lobby. There is a parking spot available now when we got here. That car right there. Let me see if I can get it. There's a car right over here on the left. It's hogging up 2 spots. I hate when people do that. There's another guy there doing the same thing, hogging up 2 spots. So this is kind of our room here. Let's see what these beds look like. We always check the beds as we go and make sure there's no dirty sheets, no bed bugs. Everything here looks pretty clean. And then there's a little table here. If you've never stayed in a True Hotel by Hilton is one of their, I don't know how you say it, I don't want to say cheap brands, because it's obviously cheaper than staying in a Hilton or staying in one of the more fancier upscale ones. Similar in price usually to, comparable to like a Hampton Inn. True Hotel does have free breakfast, which we'll show you in the morning. They have a pretty good selection typically, and this one looks like they got it set up to be similar. One thing we did notice though is there's no trash can. There's no trash can, I'm guessing just in the bathroom. Usually hotels have one in the bathroom, one outside by the desk, because if you're eating out here, working out here, you can throw it away, but there's no trash can out here. I don't know if that's something that just is getting settled because it's a new hotel and they just maybe haven't put them out yet, or if it's something that they're just not doing for costs, I guess. So when we checked in, Tori is a, I think, gold Hilton member. She was diamond last year, but we lost that status, so she went back down to gold, which is still good. But when we checked in, she said, oh, you're a gold member, I would offer you guys water, but we ran out. And then she didn't offer any other kind of alternative, you know, like anything else, like a can of soda, or maybe sometimes when you check into these hotels, they might give you a bag of chips or a bag of cookies, a little pack of Oreos, something. She just said, oh, I would offer you waters, but we're out. Whatever that means. So in the morning, we're going to mention it to whoever's here when we check out and let them know that we didn't get anything and see if they give us something in place of that. Because the whole point of having status, I know we're not the top status, we're not diamond members, but even with gold, the whole point of having a status is that there's certain benefits that you should get when you check into a hotel, and we didn't get them here, unfortunately. All right, so let's show you this bathroom, what we got here. We, on our Hilton accounts, we always have extra towels mentioned in the top floor. They put us on floor 3 out of 4, so we can't complain, but man, look at all these extra towels they hooked us up with. So inside True Hotels, True always uses this Not Radio soap, and it's like lemony scented. I love the smell of this soap. So we've got the standard sink here, nothing out of the ordinary. We've got a night light, which is great. Is the night light not working? Oh yeah, there it goes. But we love that there's one here. That way you don't have to walk into the bathroom in the dark. And you don't have to flick on the lights to wake everybody up. So we do have a hairdryer here. I like that there's a shelf above the toilet. I've never seen this before, but I like that. That way you can put your stuff up there. Just make sure you don't knock it into the toilet. Normal looking toilet. There is a trash can, like I said, in the bathroom. And then we've got our walk-in shower, which I like. The shower, typical looking shower head. See what the water comes out like. See what the water pressure's like. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So we have that Not Radio soap brand in here as well. We've got the lemon scented body lotion. We've got shampoo and conditioner. So that's good. So they've got, it's not, it says body lotion, but it's like a body wash. All in all, this looks like it's going to be a pretty good stay, but that should be the case when you've got a brand new hotel. All right, so there's a QR code here. You can scan it if you want to, but this is for when you're in the room. It gives you the guest services directory. They don't even give you that in the room anymore. You got to scan it on your phone. So I hope you're not living in the past and you've got a new phone that allows you to scan QR codes. You can laugh all you want to, people. It is 2025, but guess what? A year ago, I didn't have a phone that could do QR codes, so hey, don't roast me in the comments.
He did show the fridge, but it doesn't have anywhere to adjust the temperature, so it isn't really that cold. I wouldn't treat it as a fridge. If it works, if this is considered works, honestly, I don't think this is fridge temperature. It just cools. So keep that in mind. Wireless charging clocks. And here is the thermostat. It just has a heat or a cool or an off, and then high, low, or auto. These are the options for breakfast, drinks, the milk, the almond milk. I didn't notice this yesterday. It's actually yogurt. That's really cool. Some cereals, toppings for your pancakes. They did have the pancakes, so we didn't have the pleasure of watching it make it. That was kind of sad. They had sausage and some eggs, omelets, boiled eggs, some toppings, bagels, and a toaster.
So this is going to wrap up our stay here at the True Hotel in Stockbridge, Georgia. Some final thoughts. One thing that I noticed this morning was inside the shower, the tube that's in there for the shampoo and conditioner were fine, but the one that was for body wash, they actually put body lotion in there. And Tori noticed it last night, and then I noticed it this morning, but not until after I had put a bunch of the body lotion on my washcloth, and it's like, yeah, you can't wash with that. That's not enough to take a shower. So I ended up using shampoo because I actually didn't bring anything with me on this trip. We weren't sure if these beds were going to be comfortable or not when we first kind of sat in them, but we all slept pretty good, so it ended up working out. The breakfast this morning, our thoughts on the breakfast, everything was pretty good. They had a good selection of items, 2 different types of egg omelets and the sausages you saw. The only thing I did not like at the breakfast was the orange juice. It was extremely watered down. It didn't even taste like orange juice. It tasted like I was drinking water, and somebody had just dipped a couple of drips of like orange flavoring in there or something. It didn't taste like orange juice at all. I guess it was too much. The mixture wasn't correct with from concentrate, I guess, however they do it.
Do you like the yogurt?
Yeah, the little yogurt station was really cool. I liked that they had almonds, pecans, and raisins. That was kind of cool, and the yogurt tasted really good as well. All right, so if you like this type of content, make sure you click on this one at the end of the video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, guys. We'll see you down the road, and we'll see you soon.